Guys, here's a new video for you to know how to use Facebook in a button phone. First of all, you need to open this phone and then just unlock it. And first of all, you need to have a SIM card for sure, because you can't use Wi-Fi in a button phone. That's why you have to manage a SIM. You have to insert it by opening its back, and now you have to open this up. You need to have some data in your phone. Now let's go to the games and services, and you'll find Facebook there. If you can't find Facebook, you can just go to the internet and browse www.facebook.com. So as I have Facebook, I'm gonna click on it. So now you can see I'm browsing Facebook using this button phone. I have 2 gigabytes of internet in this phone. So what they'll show you is to write down your address, phone number or email address, and password. And if you want to create new account, you can just simply click to the create new account. And if you don't want to create a new account, you can just simply give your preferred phone number or email address and then password. Write down it using these buttons. If you have got any trouble to write down, I'm gonna show you how you can write. For example, if I'd like to write tool, I'm gonna write MN and then I and then T. Where is T? I got you, baby. TUL. This is how you can write tool. And if you just want to write any numbers, you can just simply click to the hashtag, and you can select whatever you want to write. Everything is capital letter. You can just select the number 3. If you want the first letter to be capital and the rest of them would be small letter, you can just choose the number 1. And if you want each of them would be in small letter, you can choose number 2. And as I want the numbers, I'm going to choose number 4, where I can write any number that I want. So this is my password, for example, and I'm gonna click to OK. I'm gonna give to my email address, and I'm gonna simply press to the login. And then if you have enough data packages and if your phone is compatible enough to use Facebook, you'll be able to use Facebook in your button phone. This is how you can use a button phone. So let me check out how much megabytes have been cost during this. Literally 0.00 megabytes. I can't believe this. This page just appeared, but still literally 0.00 megabytes for this login page, because no icons were shown here. This is amazing. Now let me go to the home page. Okay, so I'm browsing the home page, and you can see here is Google, and got Google search option right over there. Okay, so from here you can also browse Facebook by just simply clicking to the address bar and write something there. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video in concentration. So thank you so much. There's a train coming in here. You can simply hear the noise. This noise is absolutely freaking crazy. That's amazing. Wow. But the silence of the train is given therefore. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more tutorial of this button lava iPhone 100, you can just ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.